Welcome back. I'm Danielle from Merkle, and today's episode's all about keyword match type on Amazon search. The best way to explain match types is through an example. Say you're selling yellow women's t-shirts and you want to reach the most relevant shoppers possible through your sponsored products campaigns. As you build out keywords, you're thinking, how will I reach my customers? You definitely want to show an ad when someone searches for exactly what you have, women's yellow t-shirts. For that, you'll want an exact match keyword. Exact match is king. It gives you the most control and typically has lower CPCs and higher conversion rates. Valuable customers might search in other ways too. That's where broad match or phrase match come in. They capture a wide variety of searches relevant to your products. Careful though, they can have higher CPCs and convert less. Building keywords across match type isn't a set it and forget it. As you see traffic come in from broad or phrase, you want to move that traffic to exact. And negatives, those are important keywords too. Want to talk to us more about Amazon search? Email us at amazonaudits@merkleinc.com. Don't forget to register to make sure you get notifications when we push out new videos. Next video is about can't miss tips for bidding. See you soon.